Tired of feeling like your money is constantly slipping through your fingers? You're not alone. We all want to make the most of our hard-earned cash, but it can feel like an uphill battle. So, let's talk about a tool that can help, PocketGuard. Now, you might be wondering, what exactly is PocketGuard? In the simplest terms, PocketGuard is your personal finance superhero. It's an app that acts as your financial sidekick, helping you track your spending, budget effectively, and ultimately, take control of your money. But how does it actually do all that? Let's break it down. Automatic spending tracking. Forget manually entering every single transaction. PocketGuard connects to your bank accounts, credit cards, and even investment accounts. It automatically categorizes your spending, coffee, groceries, rent, you name it, giving you a crystal clear picture of where your money is going. Budgeting made easy. Setting a budget can feel daunting, but PocketGuard makes it a breeze. You simply tell the app how much you want to spend in different categories, like entertainment or dining out, and it tracks your progress in real time. It even alerts you when you're nearing your limits, so you can make adjustments before it's too late. Savings goals simplified. Saving money can be a struggle, but PocketGuard helps you stay motivated. You can set specific savings goals, like a down payment on a car or a dream vacation. The app will then show you how much you need to save each month to reach your target on time. Plus, it provides helpful tips and encouragement along the way. Debt management tools. If you're carrying debt, PocketGuard can help you get it under control. It provides insights into your interest rates and helps you create a plan to pay down your balances faster. You can even see how different repayment strategies will impact your overall financial situation. The best part? PocketGuard is incredibly user-friendly. The interface is intuitive and easy to navigate, even for those who aren't tech-savvy. Plus, it's available on both iOS and Android devices, so you can access your finances anytime, anywhere. But don't just take my word for it. Many people have already experienced the benefits of using PocketGuard. Here's what one user had to say: PocketGuard has completely changed the way I manage my money. It's helped me become more mindful of my spending and has even helped me save more than I ever thought possible. So, if you're ready to take control of your finances and achieve your financial goals, PocketGuard is definitely worth checking out. It's a powerful tool that can help you budget smarter, save more, and reduce financial stress. With said, thanks for watching, and until next time.